Yung lalakaran, kung gaano kalayo.
0.4 miles.
Lakad kami, papunta sa mga puno.
Not bad.
Ay, may puno na pala dito. Ano ba yun? Famous na puno. Lalakad sa famous na puno.
Going back to the sun.
Oh, yeah.
See this?
Especially with all the stuff. Like,
Why can't we just go on that? What about going back? How about going back?
going back on the car is gonna suck.
Like this?
Yeah, read that. It's good information.
Holding the stick. How about like this?